we have come to the most important part of this festival. Are you ready for the awards? Yeah? The 5th Tangkhul Naga Film Festival Awards are ready. We are ready to give it out. To save time, we will not be reading out the nominees anymore. We will straight away go with the winners. And I would like to request our dignitaries to kindly be ready to hand over the awards to our winners. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us now declare the winners of the 5th Tangkhul Naga Film Association 2025. First, we will go with the jury mention. 3 actors have been selected for this special award, jury mention. I would like to read out their names and the movie they have acted. The first winner is Miss Pilayung Jajo, who was the leading actress of Mushunwo, and Miss Rosemary Shaiza for the movie Zinger, and Mr. Amung Siro Aungshi for the movie Mayo Zingran. They have been selected for their exceptional performances that brought power to the screen. They have delivered unforgettable portrayals, earning them this well-deserved recognition. I would like to request Ino Victor Aungshi, who is a special invitee for this evening, to kindly come forward and hand over the prizes to the winners. First of all, I'd like to request Miss Pilayung Jajo, followed by Miss Rosemary Shaiza and Mr. Among Sio Aungshi. Ladies and gentlemen, join us in clapping our hands and then encourage and support our winners. Pilayung is not present here this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, jury mention winner, Miss Rosemary Shaiza, for her performance in the movie Zinger. Thank you. Followed by Mr. Amung Siro Aungshi for his performance in the movie Mayo Zingran.
For the best child artist, I would like to request our special invitees, Ino Hubert Lunghar, President Taiso, to kindly come over the stage to give away the prize. For the best child artist, the winner goes to Zingrin Ningshen. Zingrin Ningshen for the movie Atazan. For a remarkable and heartfelt performance, Zingrin Ningshen brings innocence to the screen. Her natural talent and emotion expression leave a lasting impression, making her a true standout in the film. Let us all give it up for Zingrin Ningshen.
He is not Zingrin, he is not the winner.
He wanted to get the prize, so let him have it. For the best makeup to give away, I would like to request Mr. Hubert Lunghar. So best makeup goes to Miss Ayanao Kangra, featured in the movie A Dozen. For the outstanding artistic precision, creativity, and skill, Miss Ayanao Kangra transforms characters with remarkable detail and authenticity, bringing them to life with depth and realism. He is the CEO. He claims to be the CEO, but I'm not sure. We'll have to confirm later.
Award ka pilih Sharon de Jack shop lah. Thank you so much, Mr. Hubert Lunghar, for doing the honor. We will now go to best costume. For this award, I'd like to request Mr. A.C. Rising, the convener of RGT, to kindly come over the stage and hand over the award. The best costume goes to Koka Productions for the movie Avui Kamsui. For the exceptional creativity, Koka Productions delivers meticulously crafted costumes capturing the essence of time, culture, and emotion with stunning detail and artistry. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for
Best background score goes to Mr. Okjar Kabin, featured in the movie Mashungo. For an evocative composed score, Mr. Okjar Kabin enhances the film's emotional depth that lingers long after the credits roll. Let us give it up for Okjar Kabin. Mayonchin Lunglang on his behalf. Thank you so much, Ino Easy Rising.
Thank you. I would like to now request Ino Piuma Limang Tuimai, the president of the Young Mai Film Forum, to kindly come over the stage and do the honor to present the award for the best screenplay. Ladies and gentlemen, the best screenplay goes to Mr. Makanmi Ramror for the movie The Shuo. The award has been given for a brilliantly crafted narrative that captures the human crisis of our time. Mr. Makanmi Ramror delivers a screenplay that captivates and inspires in a truly unforgettable way.
For the best supporting role male, I would like to call upon Ino Tiantai Kangmei, President Rong Mei Film Forum, to kindly do the honor to give away the award. So the best supporting role male goes to Mr. Oshim Sohonao in the movie Chihami Part 2. For a compelling performance, Mr. Oshim Soho brings remarkable nuance and presence to the character in the film. Let us all give it up for Oshim Sohonao.
Thank you so much. I would like to request Ino Personana, the president of Kanku Film and Entertainment Society, Chandel, to kindly do the honor. It's a privilege for our special invited because the next award winner is Best Supporting Role Female. Yeah, your prayer has come true. All right, for the Best Supporting Role Female goes to Mrs. Temriwan Raipin for the movie Avu We Come Sui. She has been awarded this award for a captivating and emotionally profound performance. Mrs. Temriwan Raipin brings depth to her role, and her presence enriches the story with authenticity and grace. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ino Bersenanal. Now, I would like to call upon Ino Star Kame, President Ziliang Rong Film Forum Manipur, to kindly do the honor to give away the award. I've been having a hard time pronouncing this. I'm so sorry. I have to practice the tongue twister. So the best cinematographer, I did right? Yes, goes to Mr. Raikang Chajo for the movie Mayor Zingran. Has been awarded this award for masterfully capturing light, movement, and emotion. Mr. Raikang Chajo's artistic vision and technical excellence create a cinematic experience that elevates the power of storytelling. Let us once again give it up for Mr. Raikang Chajo.
So I would like to request Mr. James, our guest of honor, Mr. James, to kindly do the honor. The next award is for the Best Editor. And the award goes to Mr. Pamshing Rungsung for the movie Shihame Part 2. He has been awarded for seamless and masterful pacing. Mr. Pamshing Rungsung weaves together moments and precision and artistry. His keen eye for detail and rhythm enhances the film's emotional depth, crafting and immersive cinematic experience. Congratulations, Mr. Pamshing.
Thanks so much. Mr. James will do the honor, and the best producer goes to your favorite, Mr. Norbert Kaye. Mr. Norbert Kayi won the Best Producer for the film Shahami Part 2. For visionary leadership and collaboration, Mr. Norbert Kayi brings a compelling story to life with passion and excellence. His dedication to storytelling, artistic integrity, and cinematic excellence has been instrumental in shaping a film that sets a high aesthetic benchmark. Congratulations, Norbert Kayi. Thank you so much, Shri Chains.
For the next award, I would like to call upon one of our guests of honor, Ino Alexander Leopold, to kindly come over the stage and do the honor. And the next award is for the Best Director. Any guesses for the winner?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I'll read it out. The Best Director goes to Mr. Makanmi Remro for the movie Mayo Zinran. Makanmi Remro has been awarded this award for visionary storytelling. Mr. Makanmi Remro crafts a cinematic experience that is both timely and deeply relevant to his people. His ability to blend narrative with emotion adds depth to every scene, delivering powerful messages that resonate with the hearts and minds of the audience. Congratulations, Mr. Makanmi Remro.
Now, to give away the award for Best Actor, I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Nabachandra Singh, to kindly, Sri Nabachandra Volcano Sharma, to kindly give away the reward. The Best Actor male. Oh, before I announce this, I would like to introduce you all my little brother who looks exactly like the male actor who won this award, the Best Actor. So, brother, please come over here. And ladies and gentlemen, please tell me if they look alike or not. Yes, the Best Actor male goes to Mr. Tangkhul Naga. For the film A Dozen, for a powerful and deeply moving performance that captivates and inspires with exceptional skill and originality, Mr. Tangkhul Naga leaves a lasting impact on audiences, embodying the true power of care and compassion for those in need. Thank you, Mr. Tangkhul Naga.
Aza ngerui Asia Baina amai khang machuli kyo mega dai gai ne ko our next movie le. All right, now let us proceed to the Best Actor Female. Is there any guesses for the winner? I've heard a name from two people. All right, the Best Actor Female goes to, yes, Miss Chung Sangla Jajo for the movie Mayo Zinran. She has been selected as the winner for an extraordinary performance that transcends the screen, embodying the depth of human emotion with authenticity and nuance. With remarkable dedication, Ms. Chung Sangla Jajo brings her character to life, delivering an unforgettable experience. She beautifully captures the true essence of a mother and wife, navigating challenging circumstances to hold her family together. Congratulations, Chung Sangla.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, to give away the last and final award, that is the Best Film Award, I would like to call upon our respectable President Y.L. Ravins to give away the award. So, any guesses from the crowd? The best film. Best film. Any guesses? A dozen? Any more? Okay, the Best Film Award goes to Mayo Zingrang, produced by Remember Kabao. For its powerful storytelling that resonates deeply with the times, Mayo Zingrang stands as a testament to the transformative power of cinema, with a compelling narrative, outstanding performances, and masterful execution. This film leaves an indelible mark. Thank you so much. Are you all satisfied?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Now, for the word of thanks, I would like to call upon Haorei Lunghar, event manager, Tangkhul Naga Film Association. Please kindly come up the stage to give the word of thanks.
First of all, I give thanks to the host to give you a chance to speak a lot of things. First of all, I give thanks to Chief Kiss to come and join with this occasion. May your Almighty God bless and for your future and for your family. And also, I think to all guests of honor, and also those coming from the productions, and also I think to every one of you, and also I think coming from the tribes, for coming and representing in this occasion. Let's join his leader, each one and all, let's support for upcoming today's school. Thank you for coming and join this event. So, lastly but not the least, for coming in this program, I think once again, thank you.
Thank you so much. I think there was a slight change in the program. It was, Ning Tun Rising, the Vice President of TENFA. He thank you for delivering the word of thanks. And just before we wind up this program, it has been an entertaining and productive evening. And we have all made it a success. We did it together. So shall we all give a big round of applause for every one of us. We made it together. And also, this program was organized by Tangkhul Naga Film Association. We never got to see who's who of TNFA. I would like to request the president and the executives of Tangkhul Naga Film Association to kindly come over the stage. We would like to acknowledge you for the hard work being done and making this program a success. Everyone kindly come over here so that we can acknowledge you. We have come to the end of the program. And just before we wind up, I, Sorinthan Haorei, and on behalf of my beautiful co-host here, Cicilia Zimik, would like to thank each and every one of you for being very supportive. We made this all together. And this is us signing off. Hopefully we'll see you in the 6th Tangkhul Naga Film Festival. Thank you. And to wind up, I would like to request every one of us to kindly stand from where we're seated, and we'll be singing the Tangkhul anthem. And I'd like to request Mr. Wilson Varam, the Speaker of TANFA, to kindly come over and pronounce the closing prayer.